Hi everyone, welcome to November's giveaway. It's the first Tuesday in November, and for this giveaway I have got 3 skeins of the Deramore Studio Special DK. It's 100% acrylic. It's 3.5 to 4mm crochet hook or 4mm knitting needle, and it's red. It's called Red, and there are 100 grams, and you've got 3 of those. You've also got a 4mm crochet hook, and you have got, I'm going to give you 2 stitch markers, a pen, sticky notepad, they're all different stickies, and yeah, so that is the giveaway for this month. You need to be 18 years and over. I'm not responsible for any tax or duty tax that you have to pay when it gets to your end. I will pay the postage. I'll read everything in the description box. All the instructions and everything's in the description box below. To be in with a chance to win this red yarn, which is just in time for Christmas and doing our Christmas projects, I need you to put the word Christmas. So yeah, and then when you leave your comment, put Christmas. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. And so today is the 2nd of January, I wish. It's the 2nd of November, and the closing date is going to be the 27th, the Saturday, the 27th of November at 12 p.m. British Summer Time. And the winner will be announced on the 30th, and 30th of November. So good luck everybody. Don't forget the word you need to put is Christmas. And that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.